Liberty Industrials specialise in industrial demolition. We're working in the most remote areas in Australia. It's extremely important to get the right tool. We can't just tap into resources locally. We need equipment that's not going to let us down.
Nullumby, where we're going to be working with it, is very remote. For 6 months of the year there is no road there because the wet season washes it out, so we want to try and choose the best equipment we can for the job.
The machine's very modular. To see it go together was really impressive. I'd allowed probably 2.5 days to commission it for the first time. The boys started at 8:30 in the morning and we had the quick hitch in by 4 o'clock that afternoon, up in the air and running. It was amazing. It just shows that Japanese engineering and efficiencies.
The Japanese engineers actually insisted that they came out to be a part of this handover process and this induction and this training with Liberty. You really get an appreciation for how much pride they have in what they do. It's a completely unique culture, and they absolutely want to make sure that they're setting up the customer for success, and that's why they're here doing their training on site here in Darwin.
Reliability, functionality, we're looking for efficiencies as well, not just in operation, but also in mobilisation and demobilisation, because we're moving these machines right across the country all the time.
Really impressed with the Kobelco machine, how well it's been thought out as how it goes together quickly and easily.
All the Kobelco high-reach demolition machines, including the SK1300, are designed with what we call the Next Connect system to allow it to break down into modular pieces that are 35 ton or less if required. It's incredible what Tom and the guys at Forecast Machinery have done to support this machine. It's only recently that Kobelco has approved this machine for introduction into the Australian market.
It's a real honour to be putting this together for Kobelco Australia and Kobelco Japan. For us as a dealer for the NT to be a part of that, it's amazing. Loving the challenge.
The unique thing about the SK1300 is that it's actually the largest machine that an OEM builds as a single solution.
The fact that it's a factory machine with different configurations gives us the flexibility to use it on different projects at different heights with different sized tools.
At the moment, Kobelco is the #1 selling heavy excavator in Australia. So while this is the flagship, it represents what we're capable of engineering and building, and it's kind of the pinnacle of what we do. This illustrates how building a quality product translates across the entire range.
Logistically, the machine is brilliant. It strips down in a day. The build quality and the Japanese precision and engineering is second to none. I can't wait to get it out in the field and actually see it go to work.